Alcohol and cannabis is readily available for many people. Are they effective or contraindicated?
Right. When we look at alcohol and cannabis, we really have to look at what the literature says, what the good medical practice shows. Alcohol actually has not been shown whatsoever to be effective for pain in the long run. Although patients say, when I drink, I sometimes feel better. In reality, it can actually worsen states, and especially rheumatologic states or arthritis states. It has actually been shown to increase inflammatory mediators, which modulate pain and actually can worsen the outcomes for patients. Cannabis is a subject that's becoming very, very popular in the literature, and hopefully we can learn more from clinical trials. Right now, most of our evidence with cannabis is from anecdotal evidence, meaning from patients' experience, and a lot of patients say it does help. I think it also helps with the psychological aspects of pain because we know that it helps manage anxiety. We know in our military patients that it helps manage symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. In managing those symptoms, we're also going to manage a patient's experience of pain. So we know that it's probably helpful. We just need good clinical trials, especially in this country, to study cannabis. Unfortunately, cannabis is still classified as a Schedule I agent in the United States, which is in the same category as illicit substances such as cocaine, methamphetamine. And so it's limited our ability to study them. There are enacts and congressional support for it now that probably will lift some of the FDA regulations that allow physicians and pharmaceutical companies to do double-blind, randomized controlled studies, which looks at the efficacy of cannabis. It's becoming a very interesting drug because it is devoid of a lot of side effects some of our traditional agents have.